2709er, Central Tower, roger, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, WestJet 2709.
Aircraft 709er 7 on time 33, vacate via taxiway Alpha.
Via Alpha for Pulka 709er 7, registration Hotel Papa 1711.
When clear, taxi Alpha, departing 1 Bravo, monitor ground 121.7.
Parking 1 Bravo and 121.7 Africa 7097.
2709er, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 13 knots.
Takeoff, runway 07, WestJet 2709.
Tower Phoenix 08 now inbound from Lennar.
08 Central Tower, good day, continue approach, runway 07 QNH 1014, surface wind 060 degrees, 13 knots, state intentioned.
Zero 14, copy wind, intent to land. 08.
08 Tower, roger, taxi Bravo is closed, arrange to vacate via Charlie or Alpha.
Close, vacate via Charlie or Alpha Phoenix 08.
Airborne 36, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Hey, WestJet 2709.
08, clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 13 knots.
Wind, clear to land, runway 07, 08.
That was 292 on the RNAV, runway 7.
292, Central Tower, good day, continue approach, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 10 knots.
That was 292.
Vacate at Delta.
08 on time 41, make 188 backtrack, vacate Delta, Alpha parking, monitor ground 1217.
Backtrack, vacate Delta, 121.7, Phoenix 08.
Clear to land, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 10 knots.
Clear to land, runway 07, Southwest 292.
Two on time 45, JK via Alpha, when able to say the gate number.
Alright, right turn to Alpha, and I believe we're going to gate 3.
2 Roger, taxi Alpha, gate 3.
To gate 3, Southwest 292.
On 2 under small 71 clear.
171 clear, Southwest 292.
Good morning, Jumbo 779, over Usain for the RNP 07.
779er, continue approach, runway 07.
Continue approach, runway 07, Jumbo 779.
Blue 779er, clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 12 knots.
Runway 07, Jumbo 779.
Er on time 51, vacate Alpha, say the gate number.
We're parking gate 10, JetBlue 779.
2779, Roger. Alpha Echo, gate 10, monitor ground, wind clear 1217.
Echo to gate 10, monitor ground 217, JetBlue 779.
Until me get tired, man, but I know they start come out.
Eh?
Yeah, I'm tired now.
All right, my boss.
So 5-2.
21, thanks to Tar.
Yeah, holding shut off.
521, thanks to Tar, confirm ready for departure. 521, line up and wait runway 07.
Wait, runway 07, so 521.
Sure, 521, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 18 knots.
Good take over runway 07, so 521.
Auxiliary Tower, good morning, Copa 146, cruising Usain.
Copa 146, thanks to Tower, Roger, continue approach runway 07.
Continue approach, time 3, runway 07, Copa 146.
Affirm. Soar 521, contact departure now 120.8.
Thank you.
Zero squawk 5036, advise ready for departure. 6, clear to land runway 07, wind 045 degrees, 17 knots.
Clear to land, Copa 07, Copa 146.
60 degrees now at 12 knots.
Copa 146.
American 875 over Usain for RMP runway 7.
875, thanks to Tower, Roger, continue approach runway 07.
American 875.
Is 12 mile final, runway 7.
Delta 1955, thanks to Tower, Roger, continue approach runway 07.
So 1955.
Copa 146, you're on time 08, exit on Alpha, change to ground 1217.
We'll exit on Alpha 1217, Copa 146.
Land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 13 knots.
Runway 07, American
Via
875.
Alpha, Echo, Fox, gate 17. on time 11, vacate Alpha, and change to ground 1217.
Vacate Alpha 121.7, American 875.
In your approach.
1955, roger.
Tower, citation 927 Papa Kilo, which is RMPU runway 7.
Citation 927 Papa Kilo, thank you, Channel Roger. Continue approach to runway 07. Delta 19055, clear to land runway 07, wind 045 degrees, 12 knots.
Delta 1955, runway 7.